Vlogging again today, just at bus stop now waiting for a bus, and I'm going college to do some revision for maths because I've got a maths exam on the 5th of November. I need to do a revision for that. Even though it's a day off for college, I'm still learning to do it. So yeah, I don't know what I'm going to do later on, but probably meet some people and just go out, mess about, do something. Also, if you haven't seen my 500 subscriber special video, the link will be in the description, so go check that out.
She's that middle class princess getting dressed. She's a hostess and a waitress, but she requested the day shift, so she took the train from Brooklyn with her friends. She wants to show me love. Yeah, I sent some pics of my people. Yeah, she been recruited and scouted. Yeah. She got some girlfriends from Soho. She showed them the pictures, they vowed it. Yeah. There's a
show you up when you get back in that stream. You watch this. I fucking wrote it down last night.
I'm writing it down. I need a pen and paper.
Bollocks.
I need a pen and paper.
You dirty little scat.
I'm not doing that.
Yeah, because you know exactly what you're doing.
Listen, we had that money kit. You had all the money on you that I went and did that for 40 quid. I'm not worried about that.
Stop talking about that. That's nothing to do with me.
Please listen to me then.
Yeah, you're acting guilty.
Please, I'm not! Please listen to me, please. Please. I've been on off again, will you please listen?
Why do you think you've been had off? Right, I'll tell you what. Give me the money for the 9 bits one last night then.
Look, that's all paid for. I don't want the rest of the money. Please!
Because you know you've just wangled your way out of that money.
Please, will you listen
there
to
you
me,
go, that's
please?
60, 70 quid.
I'll write it down, Okay, I don't forget.
Yeah, listen, you're not even going to be coming back through that fucking door.
Look, I'll write it down now. I can't get off again. Please, listen! Right, how much did you have, please? What is it? 20.
Stop shouting, mate, otherwise
Please,
you'll get slung off the platform.
Please.
Do you want to get slung off the platform?
Will you listen to me then? Right, get that. I'll feed you out.
Mind what's gone my way?
Please listen to me.
Think about what you've done.
Please, I'm begging you.
That's a definite. Have this conversation with you now.
I just want you to listen.
I've been listening and I've been hearing.
People, please.
You said to me 20 quid of that money.
I just gave you 20 quid, Pete.
No, you didn't.
I don't give you 20 quid, I promise you. Because I have 20 quid left about this morning. I did, Pete. I passed you 20 to the glass on it. Please check your money, please, honestly.
Okay.
Right, forget that then. Forget that, right? We gave you 150, yeah? Right, I'll just give you 60 left, yeah?
No, I think where you're rent's going down, because you probably want me to spend that 50 as well.
No, listen to me, please listen to me.
Well, have this conversation when we get back there.
Please listen to me, please, I'm begging you. What I'm saying is, it's 50 quid like I have to put 60 quid.
Do not fucking talk to me. We'll talk to someone who knows numbers when we get back home. Don't talk to me. I don't want
Forget
that.
that voice, we forget the shopping. Even if so, just put 60 quid in, you have 50 quid left, right? So you put 40 quid in, yeah?
9 bits you woke up on last night.
9 bits, that's fine, it's paid
This
for. We
is
don't have to
where-
pay it off the last lot.
Yeah, really?
Yeah.
Right.
I just spoke
Oh,
to
so that puts us square then, because I never see any of them fucking 9 bits.
What, Pete?
Because I didn't want any of them, did I? No.
Pete, will you listen? Please.
No.
I think I don't forget. I'm not from that time. I'm from near that happened.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that's fine. That's absolutely fine. That's fine.
Again. You won't listen because you want to keep everything. You want everything for yourself.
Don't talk out your mouth, you fucking thing. I don't give give a fuck what you did. You know, to do for me. At the end of the day, you a rip-off. No wonder you've just done 6 years. Hang on a minute, who sat on it all, mate? Thank you, Bob. Fuck off, sorry. Give me, baby. What do you still think I've got? What do you think I've...
You mean because you're out of pocket when you're ready for 40
I'm out of pocket.
What?
What do you mean? I'm out of pocket.
We're ready for 40 quid a gig. You're ready for 40 quid and you're backing off.
Oh, but it's not interested in these 900 things, is he?
No, but what I'm saying is I've put a lot more money in pay.
Oh, bollocks, what, 20 quid?
What?
20 fucking quid?
You
You
just
fucking
done it,
dick.
I put more money in.
20 quid?
You just done it, I put
Work it out, prick cunt. 60 quid, 40, 20 quid out.
Yeah.
And you're screaming for it here.
I'm just saying,
I tell you what,
I'm trying
grow
to
up,
see that I'm
you nasty
putting money
bastard.
in.
They was right about
No,
you.
I'm trying to put enough money in.
They was right about
Alright, and they right about me. He is on me.
you. So was your mother.
Right. Not listening. Put more money in. I did that last night for 40. You still...
Never mind, you're not teaching me your fucking jack.
It's
Listen!
staying on the game. It's staying on the game.
Next train to arrive at platform 1 terminates here. This train is the service from
I
Sheffield.
just want you to know that.
This train will terminate here.
Hang on. Oh, I can't ask about it. You know me. Joe, this morning, I've got 50 quid. Tell me that because of the shopping. Listen to me! I tell you what, this is where you fucking you're an idiot. This is where you're an idiot. You fucking dick. Listen.
The train now approaching platform 1 terminates here. This train is the service from Sheffield. This train will terminate here.
What?
50, we just go for 50 so I get some of it because I am out of pocket.
I won't denying anything like that, Nina.
Well, that's what it feels like.
My fucking Jesus, I fucking
All I was
Joseph
trying to
and
say
fucking
to you
Mary.
is I want 50 so I get some of it. I always end up with nothing.
Listen, yeah, you put 60 in, yeah. Here's my 40 in, yeah. Put 15 in your pocket, but I'm screw at you to try and make you happy. Literally, what do you think that fucking got? Shut. Oh,
I
sorry.
just want you to know that I put the money in.
You're out. You're gone. You do what you want to do. I tell you what, me and your mum will work it out together without you, Dave, Danny, all of you. I tell you what, you can call each other on and then fucking blame me and your mother.
Back home now, and I'm walking to the bus stop to meet Eugene. We're going somewhere to make a video, and that video will be up next Friday, so stay tuned for that. Walking to the bus stop now. Me and Eugene are going somewhere to make a video, and I'm gonna upload that next Friday, so stay tuned for that. Make sure to like this video, and yeah, I'm probably not gonna vlog much because that argument probably filled up most of the vlog. So yeah. Also, I don't think I've said this on any of my vlogs, but I made a Facebook page and the link's in the description, so go like that and go follow and like all my other social medias, which will be in the description. This is it now. Let's go for the video. Eugene can't figure out how to put this thing on. Blow the I've got it. This video is going to be good, so make sure to watch it next Friday. Right, test it out. Been to Halfords, we've got a torch. Stay tuned for next Friday. It's going to be sick. Sick Electro.
Yeah! Yeah! Yeah, alright!
2 weeks.
he's just gonna down.
You're a pig.
Who's getting banged? Not me. For definite. What's happening?
You're gay.
Hang on.
You're gay.
That was really funny because that man, when we were speaking to him, he seemed alright with us, and then he was on FaceTime to his mate, we were speaking to him, and then he just started trying to chase me and boot me and stuff. I think usually he's got videos, but yeah, if you do get clips of him chasing me, then usually would have sent me him. But if he hadn't, then I didn't get it, but that was funny anyway. I'm ending this vlog now. Stay G'd up.